Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to break down one of the most important altcoin projects that's quietly shaping up for a major move, XDC Network. If you've been watching the market closely, you already know that XDC has been one of those coins that moves slowly, but when it moves hard. Right now, XDC is trading around 4.290 cents with a market cap close to $818 million, ranking it at number 77. The reason we're talking about it today is because XDC is at a very critical point. This is a make or break moment. It can either launch into a strong rally in 2026 or start sliding toward a bearish trend. So today, we will analyze where XDC stands, what the market structure is showing, and what could happen next. Let's dive in. XDC is currently going through a major turning point. It's not just another small correction. This is the kind of phase where the market decides whether a coin will continue upward or start a deeper downtrend. Over the past week, XDC has dropped roughly 11.9%, and this decline is not something we can ignore. When a coin drops this much, it usually means the market is testing support and waiting for a major catalyst. Right now, the key question is, will XDC break higher or fall deeper? To answer that, we must understand the overall market structure and the key levels. If we look at the price action from late 2024, XDC had a strong bullish trend. It was rising steadily and holding above important support levels. This trend continued into 2025, and the coin stayed bullish for most of the year. But at the end of 2025, everything changed. The price fell below the major EMA, exponential moving average, and that triggered a big correction. The moment the price broke below the EMA, the bullish momentum died out and the downtrend began. That's when XDC started moving downward, and now we are back at a very critical support level. This level is extremely important because if XDC fails to hold here, the market could continue to fall. If XDC breaks above this level, it could start a slow but steady uptrend. This is the line in the sand moment. This level is important because it determines the future direction of XDC. If XDC stays below the EMA, the market could start a deeper correction, and we could head into what we call Goblin Town, a bearish market phase. But if XDC breaks above this level, it can start building momentum again. This is why we need to watch this zone closely. If we look at the volume profile, we can see that buying is happening, but it's weak. In the past, when buying volume increased significantly, XDC moved up strongly, but after the rise, heavy selling started and momentum flipped downward again. We previously warned our premium members that a pullback could happen, and sure enough, the pullback arrived. Now, buying is coming back again, but it is still not strong enough to push XDC upward, so the market is currently in a state of indecision. Two possible scenarios for XDC. We are currently in a two-way market scenario. Scenario 1, bullish outcome. If buying volume increases and XDC breaks above the key level, then XDC can start a new upward trend. This would likely lead to a slow grind upward, followed by a stronger rally. The most important target to watch is 5.50 cents. If XDC can push above 5.50 cents, then we could see a significant bullish move. Scenario 2, bearish outcome. If the selling pressure continues and buying remains weak, then XDC could continue falling. This would likely lead to a deeper correction and could eventually lead to the Goblin Town scenario, where the price continues to decline. So this is a crucial moment. Now let's look at the broader market because XDC is not moving alone. The entire altcoin market is affected by major macro signals. The first thing to watch is USDT dominance. USDT dominance and the overall crypto market usually move in opposite directions. So when USDT dominance falls, it means more money is moving into altcoins and the market is becoming bullish. Right now, USDT dominance is declining, and that is a positive sign for the crypto market. If this decline continues, it could push the market higher and support a strong altcoin season. Another key factor is Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance helps us identify where the market is in the cycle and when the altcoin season might begin. Historically, in every bull market, first altcoin season starts, then the market peaks. Often before the altcoin season begins, we see a fake out, and right now we are seeing exactly that. We have seen fake outs in the market, which means the market is testing the waters. Now, The next stage could be a big altcoin season where Bitcoin dominance falls and altcoins begin to surge. This could continue until the market peak in 2026. So based on macro signals, we believe the bull market top is not yet in. Now let's look at the liquidity in the market, because liquidity determines where the price will go next. Market liquidity is currently around the $2.9 trillion support level. We expect it to bounce toward $5.6 trillion, and this bounce is already happening gradually. If liquidity continues to rise, it will be very bullish for the market and could push prices upward. This is a key signal that the market is preparing for a major move. If we focus specifically on the altcoin market, the liquidity is around $2.4 trillion, which is a major support level. This suggests that we may soon see a strong bounce in altcoin liquidity, leading to the start of a major altcoin season. So when you combine the macro market structure, liquidity, and the altcoin cycle, everything points to a potential bullish outcome. So here's the summary of our expectations. XDC is currently at a very important support level. If it holds and pushes above 5.50 cents, a strong pump is possible. Macro market signals USDT dominance and liquidity are bullish for altcoins. Therefore, a major altcoin move could be imminent. To conclude, XDC is at a crossroads. This is a major decision point for the coin. Either it breaks upward and starts a new bullish trend, or it fails and enters a deeper bearish phase. If buying volume increases and XDC can break above 5.50 cents, we could see a strong rally in 2026. At the same time, macro signals like falling USDT dominance and rising liquidity are pointing toward an upcoming altcoin season. So keep an eye on XDC because it could be one of the major movers in the next bull cycle. All content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching Coin News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for daily updates on crypto markets, price analysis, and breaking news. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from the world of digital currency.